Guys, Elvira here. I thought I'd show you some dinner. It's getting that time for dinner, and I marinated a chicken breast, and it's got a tablespoon of lemon juice, Worcestershire sauce, seasoned salt, pepper, garlic powder, basil, Italian seasoning, cumin, and garlic powder and oregano, all 1 tablespoon. And what you're gonna do is, we got it in a bowl. I marinated for an hour, and we're going to make a little dinner out of it, and it's really good. And we're gonna take a potato, and what we're gonna do is bake it. And let me get my potato out. We're just gonna have 1 potato. That's all I need. And basically, it's just like a 1 serving. But if you want to do more than 1 serving, you know, all it is this whole dinner is 250 calories. And you can bake it in the oven, or you can use a toaster oven. Now, I'm gonna use my toaster oven today, and stuff. But normally, you can use your oven or the toaster oven. And the chicken breast is 140 calories, and the potato is only 110. So for the whole meal is only 250 calories. And we're going to sit here and wash our potatoes. And then what you do is you take a fork, and you like this. So it doesn't blow up in your oven. And that's all you're going to do. And I just decided to use my toaster oven, guys, because it's easier. You can use a regular oven. I've done it both ways. I just used my toaster oven tonight because I really don't feel like putting the oven on for, honestly, for 1 little piece of chicken and a potato. And like I said, the whole meal is 250 calories. How can you beat that? 250 calories, and it's healthy. And that's what I always try to stress to people, is the healthiness. So we're going to put that there. And you're going to put your chicken breast on here. And then we're draining the juices. Yeah. And then we're going to put it in the oven or toaster oven, and we're going to leave it cook for about 45 minutes for the thing, about an hour, 45 minutes to an hour for the everything. And I will see you guys back in about an hour with the final results. How cool is that? Something quick and easy. Chicken breast marinated for an hour, doing something else, because that's what I've done, is I've been working today and just do other things. And I've got it in the toaster oven like that. Or you can bake it in the oven at 350. Even on the toaster oven, it's still 350. And we're going to put it in the oven for an hour. Because the toaster oven to an hour, if it's preheated, it's about 350, about 45 minutes. And say with the potato, about 45 minutes to an hour. So I will be back in about an hour or so with the final results for my dinner. And like I said, 250 calories. That is just amazing for that there. That potato and that piece of chicken, 250 calories for the whole meal. That is what you call very healthy. You throw it in your oven, toaster oven, and do whatever, and go do something else around the house until it's ready. I'll be back in about an hour, guys. Bye.